In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone number clickable in Elementor, a skill that's incredibly useful for any website aiming to boost user interaction and streamline communication. Whether you're building an online business profile, managing a personal site, or simply enhancing a client's page, making phone numbers clickable can significantly improve user experience by allowing visitors to directly call with a single click. So, let's dive right into this easy process and get your phone number clickable in no time. First, you'll want to open up your website editor and make sure that your page is ready to go. Once you're in Elementor, the first step is to drag the text editor widget into your layout. You can find the text editor widget on the left-hand side of your Elementor interface under the Elements section, which lists all the available widgets you can use. Simply click on the text editor widget and drag it onto the spot in your layout where you want your phone number to appear. This will create a new text area where you can input your content. Now that you have your text editor widget in place, it's time to type in your phone number or a call to action text. A call to action can be something like, "Call us, +1 223 45 67890, if you want your instruction to be clear. Make sure to include your full phone number with the country code, as this ensures that your number is recognized internationally. Next, to make your phone number clickable, highlight the number that you just typed. Once the number is highlighted, you'll notice a small toolbar appear above or near your text, containing several text formatting options. Locate the link icon, which looks like a small chain link symbol, and click on it. This action will open a field where you can enter a URL or link for that text. For a phone number to become a direct call link, you'll format it like this. Write "tel," followed by your full phone number with no spaces or parentheses. For example, if your number is +1 223 45 67890, you'd input "tel +1 223 45 67890 into the link field. This particular formatting ensures that when a visitor clicks on the phone number, their phone or device knows to initiate a call, making it exceedingly convenient for mobile users. After you've entered your number in the proper format, click on the Apply button to save this change. You'll also want to update your page to ensure that the change is live on your website. You can do this by clicking on the Update button, usually located on the lower left side of your Elementor interface. And just like that, you've successfully made your phone number clickable in Elementor. This simple yet effective adjustment can make a world of difference for users visiting your site on mobile devices, providing them a seamless experience and encouraging them to reach out more readily. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more easy Elementor tips in our upcoming videos.